Before we start this video, I've had people ask me, do I buy all my clippers? No, I do not buy all my clippers. If y'all just watch the videos, I will let you know what has been sent to me and what I have bought.
Hell yeah.
Yo, Cuts by Reggie, back with another video. Today we have a special one, I guess. I don't know. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe, comment, like, share. Tell your mama and auntie them about me. All right, all that good stuff. All right. So today we have an unboxing of a new clipper. One of the main gripes, I guess, that a lot of people have had with when it comes to Wahl, Oster, and Andis is, first of all, their battery runtime on some of the products and not bringing out anything new, especially when it comes to Wahl and Andis and Oster, but whatever. But they have not really dropped anything new. Everything is just bringing out cordless versions of what they already said. I thought I heard something. Y'all see me? Well, I'm about to pocket knife it, but anyway, one of them has brought us something new, right? And it comes from Andis. This is the reVITE clipper. It dropped Monday. I've seen the Andis people with it. Excuse me. I've seen the Andis people with it, but I haven't been able to get my hands on it until now, right? So it came out this past Monday. Shipping time was quick. Very surprisingly quick. I ordered it Monday. It got here Wednesday or maybe Thursday. Wednesday or Thursday, but it got here very fast. Like, so quick that I didn't even get my tracking number until it was already delivered. It's like as soon as orders was coming in, they were shipping. Boom, put them in the box, let's go, right? So we have it. This is $220 from the website. Also, when I'm talking about pricing in my reviews, most of the time, 97% of the time, I'm talking about the pricing from their actual website of that company, right? Now, from the Andis website, this is $220. I have seen it cheaper. I have seen it for $180. I have seen it for $175. So yes, you can find this cheaper. But when I bought it, it was only available on Andis. I got it as soon as they said, go click it, right? So this is the Andis with the new logo that they've been doing. The reVITE Clipper Professional. I don't know why I guess I understand why companies are putting professional on their stuff, especially when it comes to some of these clipper companies that have budget clippers in like Walmart and stuff. But it just throws me off, right? It's a removable, adjustable fade blade, long-lasting lithium-ion battery made in the USA. Let's just open it. Let's see what we get in here. It say long-lasting, but I'm looking on the side. It says 2 hours. I guess. Create your way. Let's get this open. I do like this boxing. It's like, I know a lot of people, they like, you don't need no nice packaging. You just gonna, I know. Y'all throw boxes away. I don't. I keep all of mine, right? So that's the boxing. Open it up. Comes with their, and Andis have been doing this thing lately, you know, where I don't want to say they advertising to a younger crowd, but they advertising to they've been doing like stickers and stuff. They look like the clipper version of the Apple brand. I don't know if y'all buy Apple watches, phones. I do, and it just seemed like they're going for that look when they're shipping things off, right? this is the clipper. We'll get to that in a second. All right. So let's see what comes in it. Take that out. And then you look in the bottom. It comes with a nice little box, extra box. Pull that out of there. We can get it. Come on. Come on. Got it. So let's see what's in the box. You get their guards. And I'm guessing based off of this clipper, this won't be using like the purple guards or whatever. It seems like it's got its own system. Look like a smaller blade as well. I'm not sure, but we'll look at it in a second. So it comes with a half guard all the way up to an 8, right? So we got that. Got your clipper oil, manual on how to remove it, clean it, and all that stuff. Then a charging cord. With all of this hype, not hype, because there wasn't a lot of hype around this, but with everything going on in the barbering world, 2 hours of runtime and no charging stand. I'm pretty sure they're going to say, but we have a charging stand dropping for this. But with everything else going on, no charging stand. And this was $220, right? So this is the machine. It's very oiled up already. So that's the machine. Their main focus with this is the blade. So they have 2 versions of this. They have the black version, which comes with the fade blade. I like fade blades, so I went on and bought the fade blade. Then they have the white version that comes with the taper blade. You can buy these blades different, but when I tried to go get, because I still want to try the taper blade as well, but when I tried to buy the taper blade, they were sold out. So either they only ordered a small quantity, or everybody bought a clipper and the opposite blade just to see how it worked, right? It's very simple to take off. I mean, nothing to it at all. Now putting back on might be a struggle. But now putting back on might be a struggle. Should be able to. Let's see. So you put that, slide that in there. Okay. I was overthinking it. So I was way overthinking it. So you got a little dip here. If you put that in there, connect it and just push. Just push it on, right? It got the notches, but it's not a click lever, right? All right. I mean, it's lightweight. It's cool. Their main focus though is being able to swap this for a taper blade. I get it to an extent because it makes it easier. But you know, on all clippers, you can take the fade blade or taper blade off and put a fade blade or a taper blade on. I know you can't just do it like that, but whatever. The first thing when I seen this is I thought it was going to be like the bevel clipper where you can swap for a trimmer blade. And I'm pretty sure they will have a trimmer blade that you can put on here. Because to me, it doesn't really make too much sense to make this full clipper just to alternate fade blade and taper blade. But either way, that is design. Little rubber grip right there. I like the way it fits. It seems it's skinny, but it do have some length to it, right? But I don't know. Seems kind of more of, I mean, it says professional on the box. Seems kind of more like a store clipper, right? I have already had some people messaging me about this blade falling off. I haven't used it yet, so I'm not gonna say that it's across the board or more than one person is having this problem, but somebody did send me a video of it happening. So, but we're gonna give it a good use. Let's see how it sounds. I don't know, it seemed like it got, let me see if I can make this make sense. It seemed like it got an Andis old school barber feel or sound. Like, I don't know, man. We're gonna put it to use, right? Now, as far as the blades, I just wanted to see how they snap on. And let me see if this is a different build. I just want to see if, now this is a corded master. I just wanted to see if it's more or less trying to, like, it don't fit on the, it's like the same width, but it don't, well, there it go. Okay. I just wanted to see, because something about it just seemed like it was smaller. So with it, because I seen, nah, look at that. If y'all can see, y'all see how that bunch up. So it's not made to fit these either. It kind of, if y'all can see that, it kind of bunches up and messes up on the blade, right? So I just wanted to see if it was like made to fit other ones or if it was more, then it's too big for this. So I'm thinking they just wanted to do their own thing. And that's the guard for it. I just wanted to check it out. Sometimes you just gotta test stuff out yourself, right? Andis don't really like to put a lot of about the motor and like everything. It's a fade blade adjusts from 5/0 to 3/0, 12 premium metal clip guards, 2 hours of runtime, extra strength, durability, removable, adjustable blade. Like, that's all it's saying about it. It don't say how long it takes to get that full runtime. Again, I'm not in the company when they're designing these things, so I don't know what it takes to be able to put a battery that lasts and all that stuff. But 2 hours of runtime without a charging dock, I don't know. 220. What's making this 220 is pretty much the name, I guess, and that is new. All right. I do like the build of it. It just doesn't seem as professional as they want you to believe. Now, we will put this to use. We will start fading with it. I don't like that sound, but who cares? It's not loud. It just, you know, I don't know. It's a funny sound. But that's the reVITE clipper. Have you been able to get your hands on it? Have you seen anybody review it? What do you think about it? We're going to put it to use for about 2 weeks, maybe a week. And we're gonna see about it. And then I'm going to try to also, in the meantime, get a taper blade to just see what the difference is between it. You know, just see how it cut. All right. Leave down below if you will be checking out this reVITE clipper. Or are you just going to wait till maybe the price come down and see what everybody else say about it? All right. If you like the videos, subscribe, dislike, comment, all the good stuff. I'm sorry if I'm sounding a little off, but I don't know how I feel about this. Now, of course, I got to put it to use. But as far as unboxing it, feeling it, and seeing the nothings that come with it extra, no comb, anything. I don't even see a cleaning brush, but we're gonna put it to use. And then we're gonna get a taper blade and see how that works. We'll be back. Peace.